Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to talk about Bitcoin again. I just want to say that I'm currently on vacation, my first day on vacation, so that's why I'm currently in a different place and why you might hear some noise on the background. But now let's just jump straight into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is actually doing quite something really interesting, and this could change Bitcoin for the next few days. I'm just going to show you guys some stats and some interesting things going on for Bitcoin. First of all, we're creating this symmetrical triangle, clear symmetrical triangle over on the 4-hour chart, and this symmetrical triangle has been in the making basically for now more than 2 weeks. So this will be a pretty big symmetrical triangle. I'm expecting something to this to happen, and then here is going to be the decision point to the up or downside. Our breakout, however, is probably going to be all the way to 31,500 or back down to 29,800. We are still waiting for a breakout of this boring range we have been in since this massive move up. Of course, we have been trading into this range. We can see that we're currently getting tighter and tighter, which means that a big move is inbound. However, we're just waiting if this move is going to be to the upside, and if so, then we have to break 31,500, or if this is going to be to the downside, and if so, then we're going to need to break 29,800. Now I have something really interesting to show you guys, but before I do that, I just wanted to quickly thank you guys for liking my last video. We've been smashing the likes absolutely crazy. 12 likes. This is really appreciated. Make sure to like this video as well, and make sure to go to in the first link in the description, because if you now sign up for a Bybit account using my link, you will get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses plus 25% of fees, which is just really nice, of course. And you can just become a lot more profitable if you have lower fees. Plus, with this $30,000 in deposit bonuses, up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses, you can of course trade a lot, which will also help you in trading. So make sure to go to the first link in the description, sign up for a Bybit account using my link. You will get $30,000 in deposit bonus and 25% of fees. Now, what do I want to show you guys? Well, I actually have two things. Of course, yesterday we got the CPI. The CPI actually came out pretty bullish, of course. Previously was 4%, forecast was 3.1%, and we hit 3%, really bullish. We can see a steady decline of our inflation, which is really nice. Now, what did we saw? This tweet went absolutely viral, and it was true. Blockchain actually showed us that size Silk Road Bitcoin being moved on chain. And if you don't know what this means, Silk Road was a really big hack that took place a long time ago, and the US government now owns those Bitcoin, or the FBI or someone, at least the United States own those Bitcoin now, and they just got moved. But it's like, in total, it's like 200,000 Bitcoin, which means that if they sell all of that, then that could crash the Bitcoin price to like 20k immediately, and like 9,000 Bitcoin got moved, and this was really bad. And that's why we actually saw this small, it was not even that big of a dump, but that is why we saw this dump right here. It could have been a much bigger dump. Luckily didn't happen, and was just a small dump, and now we're actually recovering. However, if we look at this chart right here, then we have our lower range, our middle range, and our upper range. Of course, our upper range is the range we need to break in order to go to the next area of resistance, which is 32,000, and then all the way at 35k. Just know that if we break 31,500, then 35k will come within days. However, if we break 29,800, then we could potentially break down all the way to around 28k again. That's our next area of resistance, and the middle range just decides our range of what we're going to do. If we're trading under this range, this means that we're trading in a bearish range, because there's more chance of us breaking to the downside. If we're breaking above this line of this range, middle range, then we have a bigger chance of breaking to the upside. So in the next couple of days, I'm expecting a pretty big move for Bitcoin, and I actually want to see Bitcoin breaking above this line, and then a move above 31,500, a retest, and then we could send a sky high all the way to $35,000, because that is of course our next area of resistance. That is currently what I am expecting for Bitcoin, currently what I am hoping for Bitcoin, and currently how I'm trading for Bitcoin. I'm in a Bitcoin long position and a Pepe long position. So yeah, I'm just really excited to see what we're going to do. I hope I gave you a quick update about Bitcoin. If I did so, and if you learned something from this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, would really appreciate it, and make sure to go to the first link in the description, sign up for a Bybit account using my link. And yeah, I'll update you guys if anything happens happens for Bitcoin, if we get any big news, or if we break one of the ranges, of course. So yeah, that being said, I hope I will see you in my next video.